That looks so fun. Well, still to come, we take a look back 8 years ago when Donald Trump beat Hillary Clinton in his first race to the White House.
Good afternoon, Queensland. You're watching 7 News. Checking the weather now, and our weather in the southeast has been significantly affected by a stubborn deck of cloud. Now here it is on the satellite here. Doesn't look like that much, but it's managed to keep our nighttime minimums up, our daytime maximum slightly cooler than forecast, and suppress any storm development in the southeast, so far at least. Having said that, we are seeing a bit more activity further west near this trough. Now looking ahead, if we do see more storms build over the Darling Downs this evening, then we could get a couple of drops across the southeast after dark. Then tomorrow, a change. A trough digs in on the coast, pushing slightly cooler southeast winds in, which should take the edge off some of the heat. But we still have a narrow strip of instability along the coast and ranges, as shown by these blue shades here, so you can't rule out the odd shower or storm in these areas. Now, if you're travelling interstate for the weekend, all pretty settled. Maybe watch for a passing shower in Sydney, then dry and comfortable down south. Perth tracking for 25 degrees, Adelaide 24. Back home to Queensland, here is the latest rolling 3-day heatwave classification, and with temperatures starting to drop while the heatwave is easing back into lower intensities now. In the tropics tomorrow, blue skies as far as the eye can see along the east coast. Cairns and Townsville up to steamy tops of 33 degrees, Mackay 32. Over southern districts, mostly dry, though you can't rule out some hit and miss showers and storms running from near Emerald down the ranges, maybe towards Gympie as well, a top of 35 there. In the southeast, we could still get a couple of drops overnight, then partly cloudy and slightly cooler tomorrow. The odd rogue shower possible, but they'll be few and far between. 23 overnight, up to 30 degrees in Brisbane, 29 by the Bayside. Sam will have the full forecast at 6, and we do have some more rain lingering on the horizon.
Tony, you're ruining my weekend. Thank you. Well, for the Democrats, it probably feels like history repeating as Donald Trump prepares to return to the White House. On this day in 2016, he claimed victory over Hillary Clinton, another election shock that no poll had predicted.
Hillary Clinton confidently booked her party beneath a glass ceiling, but the only thing shattered were supporters as their dream, shockingly, caved in.
They thought she was going to run away with this.
America's vote showed a blistering rejection of the Washington establishment, not seen for decades. Before the polls even closed, Clinton tweeted, "This team has so much to be proud of. Whatever happens tonight, thank you for everything." But this wasn't the story anyone predicted.
It's going to put the polling industry out of business. I don't know of one poll that suggested that Donald Trump was going to have this kind of night that he seems to be on track to have.
Because so many, it now seems, grossly underestimated the power behind Donald Trump's message. Despite massive voter turnout, exit polls showed women didn't come in the numbers Clinton hoped, while up, the huge Latino wave never arrived. And just how much that FBI email investigation, a bombshell just 11 days ago, really hurt her is unclear. At this point, it seems Hillary Clinton's dream of moving back into the White House is unlikely. Voters have sent a clear message. They're tired of Washington insiders and look to have delivered Donald Trump his American Brexit. Barack Obama, who staked his legacy on a Clinton win, played his traditional election day basketball and delivered a hopeful final message.
No matter what happens, the sun will rise in the morning and America will still be the greatest nation on earth.
A nation that after 2 years of a bitter, toxic political fight has made its choice.
That's all from us. See you tomorrow.
The 7 News app will give you the news you want. Download now.